What is going on, Adventure Nation? In this episode, we get settled in at the Playa Norte campground. We check out Los Barriles and a little bit of the world-class kiteboarding. This is the Motorhome Experiment. Good morning, everybody. No hair and makeup this morning. We've got our cups. We're going down because we heard the Hamptons have Café de Oil, which is a Mexican coffee. Oh yeah. We're gonna go mooch. Kevin and Laura and I are just sitting out by the beach getting some work done. Just calibrated this thing. Try to get the gimbal to work right.
So smooth.
Look at how smooth that is. Oh wow, that's awesome. All right, let's go test it out here on these kiteboarders. That is pretty crazy. A lot of the kiteboarders out here. I might have to do that because it looks awful fun. I wanted to do it in Florida, never got a chance. Then we were going to do it in the OBX, North Carolina, never had a chance. I don't know about today though, because that's a lot of people. Check out this camp spot though. They got all the windsurfers there. Not a bad office for the day.
Yeah, I taught all of them everything that they're doing now.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Cool. Would you teach me a little bit later on?
Yeah, they caught on pretty quick. They're doing pretty good. I was out here judging them.
Kevin and I were walking back to the RVs and a hummingbird popped out of his nest there. Gonna be hard to see him. Which one of us are gonna scare him off first? How cool is that? Let him go. All right, we got everybody kicking back here. This is the Hamptons Internet Cafe. That's the beach out there and all the windsurfers. Richard. Of course, you guys aren't gonna be here, gonna be wind. You got Kevin's desk over there. You got Tom over here with his. Laura's got her little desk over there. And then the girls are enjoying the sun.
Working hard.
It's a tough life, but somebody's got to do it. So Richard had talked to the owner of the campground here because the sites up near the front were taken. And some opened up, and check out our view now.
This is what makes Mexico worth it, and the drive down here worth it. This, like, stay here for a long time. It's pretty cool.
Watching all the kiteboarders do their thing. I think I'm gonna have to go get kiteboarding lessons. I guess we're all riding our bikes over to watch Kevin and I hurt ourselves kiteboarding today. So everybody, the whole audience is coming so that they can watch us.
So we can laugh.
Fail Army!
Fail Army, yeah. So off we go. After I take kite sailing lessons, maybe I'll get a paramotor like that. That'd be cool too. Okay, I'm geared up here. As you can see, we're gonna head out to the beach. I can't show you my instructor. His name might be Steve, it might be Bob, it might be Jeff, I don't know. But he's in witness protection, so I can't show you that.
Oh, saw that.
the kite?
Sorry about that. Yeah.
It might make it too heavy now, and we might not be able to fly it.
You're not going to be able to fly it. Come here.
You bad dog!
Bad dog.
How dare you? Have some manners.
Landing more about
Come on.
1 out of 50.
How you doing, mate?
You guys run out of wind?
You are?
Yeah.
You run
Yeah,
out
I
of wind?
farted a few times.
As expected, when I came out here for my lessons, there was no wind, so we couldn't really fly. I'm blaming Simon,
blame
although
me.
I know it's my fault. So
That's my fault.
we're heading in now. We got the whole welcoming committee here. Everybody's waiting up there. Cheryl, 18-mile-an-hour winds, right?
No.
We are done with our kiteboarding, and now we're riding around Los Barriles.
Like in Los Barriles.
Okay, Lorena told me that since everybody's in the fruit stand place, I should go in here and drive around, that it's a cool little campground. So off we go. Here's where you wash off your carts and stuff. Lorena was right. It's pretty cool in there. Pretty cool.
Right?
Mm-hmm. All right, we are all done with lessons and things today, and just kicking back around the campground. We decided to have a potluck dinner tonight with everybody. The owner here, Will, was kind enough to loan us his little property here, which has a palapa hut on it. Has a couple of fifth wheels. Check this out. How cool is that? So we're all over here having a little dinner and a little get together with everybody, and this thing is cool. Check this out. And now big whale breach. Nope. We've been looking out at the ocean now for a few days, almost a week, and haven't got a chance to go out onto the ocean. So today we are.
It's not windy.
Which kind of sucks for my kite surfing lessons, but it is good for kayaking. All right, we are out on the water with everyone. Oh, let me get that cleaned up there. Yeah, that might not be good. Here. There, we're on the water. Cheryl's out here. We got Laura over there. And then we're just waiting for Tom and Faye to get in the water. We're gonna roll down to the point where there's supposed to be some sea lions and sea turtles sightings today. So, okay, Lori, paddle.
Paddle. Paddle.
Okay, we have a manta ray. Stingray jumping around out here. He's on the other side of Cheryl.
They're called mobile arrays.
Mobile arrays?
They are a form of manta.
They're a form of manta?
There they are, yeah.
Oh, wow.
All right, we're gonna paddle over there and try and get him. Tom and Faye's maiden voyage in their St. Croix kayak. Say that 100 times fast. St. Croix Kayak. This kayaking stuff is hard work, I'm telling you. I don't know if you guys should do this.
Looks like I'm fine.
This house here, look at this, all locked up, all boarded up for the winter. That's crazy. We're almost done with our kayaking for the day. It's getting a little bit rough out. You can see the swells are coming up a little bit. We're just heading over here to this buoy where they moor some boats. We're gonna hang out there for a second because this is where the rays come and jump around, so figure we'll check it out for a bit.
Crossing our fingers to see one.
Good afternoon. I just got back from my kiteboarding lesson. I gotta show you guys this, just in case anybody wonders if it's decent conditions here for kiteboarding. Check this out. Kiteboards as far as the eye can see, and it's so windy that it's gonna blow my gimbal around. And you can't even see the kites. Down on the other side of the point where we were just down there, there's another 100 kites or so down that way. Just everywhere you look, there is a windsurfer or a kiteboarder. Unbelievable, and so much fun. So we are falling in love with the Los Barriles area and the Playa Norte campground.
I think a lot of people actually their goal when they come down to the Baja area is Los Barriles. Like I think there is where most of the people will come down to, and now we can see the why. I mean, the beach in itself is gorgeous. You're very no wind days. You can go and paddle and kayak, and it's very nice and like very cool bay. Also is like kiteboarding.
Oh, world class, man, as you guys saw there.
Windy. So it's like there's so much to do, and the people are so nice, and the area is so nice. It's just like I understand why people will drive all the way down there just to stay there for a few months.
Yeah, I mean, Cabo San Lucas is obviously the super touristy area.
Yes.
And, you know, people go there for the nightlife and things like that, but Los Barriles is kind of where you go.
It's like a
really sink in.
Small town feel, and like time slows down, very island feel, isn't it? Island time.
Yeah,
like
absolutely. But we can totally see the allure of Los Barriles, and we'll get more into that in the next couple of videos. But this is where we're going to call this one. So if this is your first time here, it'd be awesome if you hung out with us a little bit, got to know us, and that means they have to
subscribe.
Hit that subscribe button. It would be equally as cool if you liked the video, and we'll see you again in the next one where we explain what this is all about.
Yeah, this needs explanation.
we're in a closed campground here in Cabo San Lucas, so stick around.
Bye guys.